Hello, my name is Shivam and today I am going to teach you how to convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. In the previous video, you know that I teached how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions, but we are going to do reverse of this in this video. So, to convert improper fractions into mixed fractions, you have to do division like this. So, here are the steps given. Convert the mixed fractions. 15 upon 2 into mixed fractions. If this type of questions comes, that you might do this. Here is given the division 2, here is 15. So 15 is not in the table of 2. So 15, 4, but I mean 14 is in the table of 2. So 2 sevens are 14, you write over here, then answer will be 1. So to convert them into mixed fractions, you will do first take the 7 as the quotient as a whole number. Quotient is always the whole number. Then the 2 goes here. The arrow also goes over here, which is of denominator. I accidentally done that over the arrow is not over here, it is over here. So the 1 comes over here and the 2 comes over here. So 7 whole 1 upon 2 is our answer. First take the quotient, then the remainder, then the dividend. I mean the divisor. This is divisor, remainder and the quotient. Like this, you will convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. So let's take these examples. 19 upon 3. Here we will follow these steps and solve. 19 upon 3 here is given. So we will do, right, 19 upon 3 is equal to 19 and 3. 19 is not in the table of 3, so we will write, and the answer is 1. So we will write 6 over here as given. 7 is the quotient over here, but 6 is the quotient over here. And 3 over here and 1 over here. Like this. Now, the other example. 28 upon 5. 28 upon 5 is equal to. Now 28 is not in the table of 5. So you write 25, 5 5s are 25. And the answer is 5 whole 3 upon 5. Now let's take the last example, and this is our last one. 16 upon 7. 16 upon 7 is equal to 7 and 16. 16 is not in the table of 7, so 7 2s are 14. 2 right here. 2, 7 and 2. 2 whole 2 upon 7 is our answer. So we have completed, and Yeah, I hope you understand all this. So, if you understand and like our video and subscribe to our channel.